Enforcement Directorate has frozen bank deposits worth 440.42 crore rupees belonging to the All India Trinamool Congress under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The action follows searches conducted as part of an investigation into an alleged funds misappropriation case, officials said on July 8th. According to officials, the freezing orders were issued under Section 17, Clause 1A of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The amount of 440.42 crore rupees is held in 3 private bank accounts belonging to the All India Trinamool Congress. There was no immediate response from the Trinamool Congress regarding the ED's action. As part of the investigation, the ED conducted searches on July 7th at 5 locations in Kolkata, including premises linked to the Carewell group of companies. The group also operates Carewell Aviation, a private jet and charter hiring company. At the time of filing this report, the Kolkata-based non-scheduled aircraft operator had not responded to PTI's request for comment. According to the ED's preliminary investigation, approximately 160 crore rupees was transferred from the TMC's bank accounts to Carewell Aviation India Pvt and its related entity between April 2023 to June 2026. The agency further alleged that Carewell Aviation India Pvt routed 82.96 crore rupees to another newly incorporated entity between 2023 to 2026. Officials said that a significant amount of money was transferred to this entity. The AD further alleged that 112 crore rupees from these funds was used to purchase an Embraer Legacy 600 business jet and an AgustaWestland 109 SP helicopter. The investigation into the alleged money laundering and funds misappropriation case is ongoing. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.